I've been using the QIDI Plus 4 3D printer for over a year now, and today I'm going to tell you if it's actually worth buying or if it's just another overpriced box that melts plastic. The QIDI Plus 4 is a fully enclosed 3D printer designed for reliability and high quality prints. It supports materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and more, and it's built with a solid metal frame. But specs don't matter if the printer sucks to actually use, so let's talk about that. After a year of printing with this thing, I can say the day-to-day experience is actually pretty smooth. Loading film is easy, the touchscreen is simple to use, and once you start a print, it mostly just works, which honestly is what you want from a 3D printer. You don't want to babysit it every 5 minutes. Print quality is where the QIDI Plus 4 really shines. Layer lines are clean, detail comes out sharp, and I've had very few failed prints. For materials like PLA and PETG, it performs extremely well, and the enclosed design helps when printing tougher materials like ABS. Most of the time, I just slice the model, hit print, and it comes out exactly how I expect it to. After a year of use, the reliability has been solid. I've done tons of prints on this machine and it's held up really well. No major failures, no catastrophic issues, just the normal maintenance you'd expect from any 3D printer. So, in my opinion, here are the biggest pros. It's got reliable printing, solid build quality, enclosed design, and it's easy to use. But it's not perfect. It's not the fastest printer out there. The fan noise can get a little loud during long prints, and it's not the cheapest option if you're just starting out. Though, if you have the money and want to get into professional slash hobbyist printing, I really recommend you pick this one. Overall, after using the QIDI Plus 4 for over a year, I can confidently say it's a really solid 3D printer. If you want something reliable that produces great prints without constant troubleshooting, it's definitely worth considering. If you want more 3D printing reviews and weird engineering projects, make sure to subscribe and comment what I should do next.